Okay, guys, I did some freehand engraving on my 1 engine half here. Let me show you guys what I did. I made diamond cuts on all the little flower hickeys. I even got the bottom too, where no one's going to ever see. I might make it a little bit more intricate. We still have to do the other half down there too. I'm going to probably have to take that crankshaft back out in order to do that half. But I might fill it in a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll get some other ideas. You know, I surf the internet, I get ideas, and I might fill it in a little bit more with some other stuff. Maybe some flowers or something. I'll see what I can think of. What I'm basically trying to do, Mayan, is I want to make this different. I know it's just a Honda 250, but I want to make this a little bit different. That's why I'm doing this.